As your new chief security officer, I think we need to do an in-depth security audit. Traditionally, these cost a couple of $100,000, but I have another idea, and it's only going to cost you about a minute. Your organization needs to be secure, productive, mobile, and responsive to the needs of your customers. You need security that's made simple and offered at a low cost, because companies of your size are exposed to serious risk. 55% of small and medium-sized businesses were attacked last year. More than half of those breaches were caused by human error, and a quarter included customer data. That last number, it is only going to go up, and that's expensive. The average cyber attack costs $80,000, not counting what it will do to your reputation. If it's ransomware that hits, almost half those attacks take more than a week to fix. And if your data is locked up past a certain point, only 35% of small businesses stay profitable. If none of this is interesting to you, feel free to turn it off. No hard feelings. But I'm willing to bet you have other things to do besides spend the rest of your adult years becoming a cybersecurity expert. So let's start using technology with built-in AI that's already protecting 90% of the Fortune 500. This is the most secure and simple way to manage every device, app, and identity in your company. As your Chief Security Officer, I want to introduce you to Microsoft 365
Business Premium.
Microsoft has spent the last 15 years building the best cloud-based tools to solve problems facing companies like yours. Now, everything they've learned and the best things they've built are available in a comprehensive package for a business your size. To learn more, check out some notes I prepared for you here.